Hello, today I will show you how to generate an EForm. From our EForm portal, select Generator. On the top right, you'll see a gear icon, click that. Over here you can select Browse and then locate the image file you want to generate. On the left you'll see a variety of options you can import into our EForm. After making your selection, you can change the color, the font, move, and even rotate the object. If you made a mistake, you can always go back by using this arrow. Here we will be adding a text area which allows you to change the pre-filled text. Now we will be adding an image, for example a logo. After dragging it over, click the Upload Image button and browse for your file. By selecting them all, pressing right click allows you to save them as a template. This will be good if you plan on using this combination on other projects. We will now open up a new project just to show you how it works. After loading your image, on the left select Template and double click the one you created. Selecting EMR data allows us to pull data from within Oscar. You can simply select the values you want and drag them over. Here we can pull information such as the clinic's name and address, the user's OHIP and CPSO numbers, along with all the patient's information so that everything will be pre-filled automatically. Let's go into comments so I can demonstrate how the duplicate feature works. After dragging over a checkbox, you can select the icon here, and now you can click wherever you want there to be a checkbox. After deselecting the tool, we can highlight objects to align them using this icon over here. Combining these two tools is great for when dealing with a lot of fields. After completing that, we will be adding our date picker, which uses a mini calendar. Here we can pick from 3 different signature options. We will be using the freehand one, but other options allow for pre-signed images to be used. Using free draw allows us to draw directly onto the EForm. You can also add an image onto the background by simply just selecting the upload image and then locating your file. At the top here we will change the name of our EForm to whatever you want. After selecting the name, you can click the menu button and save your project. While here, you can also download the resource file, which will be needed at a later time. If you have done this in the past, you can skip this step. Once you are ready to export your EForm, click on the menu button, click Export, and then select Export as zip file. This will allow you to download the EForm and then import it into your Oscar system. Once in your Oscar, you can go to Administration, select Forms and EForms, upload an image, and then browse for the resource file that we downloaded before. We will need to upload each of the 6 files in there. However, if you have done this step in the past, you can skip this step. Now to upload the EForm you created, click on Manage EForms, select Import, browse, and look for the exported zip file you saved earlier. After seeing the EForm has successfully been uploaded, we can open up a test patient to see how it works. Here we can see that all the information for the clinic and patient have been filled out, and we can test the functionality of the checkboxes. Clicking the date will pop up a calendar. We can also do a freehand signature over here just by using the mouse. Drawing onto the image that we added, you can change the color and the size, as well as use the other tools in the system. give a title to this EForm, so then that way it shows up in the patient's chart. If you have fax integrated with your Oscar, you can simply add the fax number here and then press fax and close. If you want to make any changes to an EForm you have previously created, you can click on Open and load any of your previous projects and make changes to them. Thank you for watching and have a great day.